This morning, more crews joining the desperate search for that missing submersible, covering an area twice the size of Connecticut and 2.5 miles deep. The massive search effort focused on underwater sounds. First picked up by a Canadian plane on Tuesday and heard again at times on Wednesday. Searchers trying desperately to isolate the sound and its origin.
The noises have been described as banging noises, but they have to eliminate potential man-made sources other than the Titan.
Search planes have now dropped sonobuoys across a massive swath of ocean. The device is capable of hearing sound from miles away, but pinpointing that sound can be quite difficult.
The ocean is a very complex place, and it's very difficult to discern what the source of those noises are at times.
Still, with the Titan possibly 2 miles beneath the sea, where it is pitch black and ice cold, sound has become one of the only possible clues so far.
How important is sound in this search?
Sound is really important because it's the only thing you can go a great distance. Light doesn't travel very far underwater.
Sonar is short for sound navigation and ranging, and in effect uses sound waves to see underwater. Late Wednesday, a long-awaited French ship with a high-tech remote-operated vehicle arrived. The robot Victor 6000 capable of diving even deeper than the Titanic. Perhaps the first time searchers will actually be able to put eyes on the Titanic wreck since the submersible disappeared.
They bring some state-of-the-art equipment, and so once they get on, we're going to have more assets down to look, and we'll continue to put them where we think the best location is.
Trying to pinpoint a tiny submersible with high-tech tools from around the world.